What up, YouTube? All right, guys, so today we are breaking down Jacob Collier and Tori Kelly's Riff. I don't know if you've seen the video on YouTube. It's going crazy. Both phenomenal artists, and we're going to break it down for those who are not up to speed yet, all right? Let's get into it. Oh, I like that. I like that. I praise. I'm going to show you this. Oh, God praise. I'm gonna show you what's going on there, all right? So, God. So let's do that real quick. Your turn. Connect it all together now. One more time. So all together it should sound like this. I hope you guys learned something new today. Tori Kelly, Jacob, honestly phenomenal. You guys make sure you like, subscribe for more if you want to learn more. If you want me to do the rest of the riffs that she did, I'll do that. Make sure you like and subscribe in the comments. And let me know how you did on the challenge, all right? Until then, guys, keep on singing. Peace.